All right, this is Uptick Talk, episode 9, and we're recording this episode on Sunday, February 26th, 2023. In this episode, we've got a community member named Xavier helping us, and he'll be showing us around in preparation for GoN, or a game of NFTs. Xavier will be covering registration, CLI initiation, chain configuration setup, wallet creation, how to get test coins from the Faucet, and checking IBC channel information. Xavier, I'm super excited. Let's go.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, today I will talk about how to participate in GONs and how to win the points in the game. So first, let me briefly introduce about the GON. GON, in my opinion, is just a test game. And you can see there are a list of the chains like arrays, uptick, gates, yes, and so on. If we classified with the chain type, there may be two types of chains, the SDK chains and the Watson chains. The difference between the two types is that the SDK chains is cross-chain using the Cosmos SDK, and the Watson chains realize it by the Watson smart contract. From the coin type, there are 118 and 60. The difference is a little complex. 60 can support the EVM, Ethereum virtual machine. Maybe in the future workshop, I will give you a demo to show how to convert from the Cosmos format NFT to EVM format. Okay, this is a very interesting topic. Okay, let me go back to today's topic. The interchain transfer, there have a lot of steps to do with the transfer. The first is to issue NFT or issue a collection. This is just like to deploy contract in the EVM, and then you should mint the NFT. After that, you can do the cross-chain event. Yes, from one chain to another and go back. The important thing is that you should pay attention to the channel or the channel number. If you get it wrong, it will be filled. So you should pay attention to it. Now this is a stamp-to-stamp instruction. Okay, the first is the preparation for the GON. Okay, now let's go to the preparation. Okay, there are about 6 steps to prepare for the GON. The first step is to register your account. Okay, open it. The deadline for registering is the end of this month. If you're the first one, time to register, you should fill in a few information about your teams. The second thing is to install the client of the GN trains. Yes, AlexNet, for example. Yes, so you can see. Can you see the screen?
Yep.
Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. First, we should go clone get clone the source. Okay, the source code. I have to do it because it takes time, so I go to the next step. Then we go to the Then we go to the folder, and then we check out the right version. Okay, and then we make install. With this command, your client is installed. And you can check the version is right or wrong. Okay, so you can see this version.
Mm-hmm.
This is this is the branch you need to do the GON, because GON is new, quite new. So you should use the new branch, not maybe not the main branch. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. And the Uptick Stargate journey is almost the same. The difference is the version. So you should pay attention to the version. If the version is wrong, your journal will be failed. The next step is that when you install the client, then you should set some configurations. Okay, now let me see it. First, you should set the chain ID. Okay, chain ID. Okay, so using command and the chain ID is GoN Iris and one. This is the Iris chain ID. And then you should send the nodes because the client is connected to the node, so you should have the right node to communicate with each other. Okay. Okay. Then we said output. The output is when you use a command and they will output the result. So with the JSON format, you can it is easier for the developer to see the result. Okay. And then is set the mode for the custom mode. We set it block. With the block mode, the client will wait for the transaction to be committed. And if the transaction have some errors or have some problems, they can show the detailed information. So it is better to set the block. Okay, after that, you should see the configuration is okay or not. So we can use this command to see. Okay, you can check it. Okay, Iris. Okay, have a one, and this is for default value. We don't check it. We don't change it. And the output is JSON and node okay for the custom mode is okay. Okay, by this way you can do the update and Stargate. Okay, you can see all the chains about 5 chains. Yes, in total 5 chains. Okay, when you send the chains, the purpose then you should have the account. Okay, or the wallet. So we should enter the wallet. This is the wallet. Okay, you can make any, you can type any name, which is just for you easy to remember. Okay, yeah, for example, we type 1. Okay, this should type password. Okay, yes. Okay, you can see that the type is 1 and the account, and this is the information, and this is the mnemonic. The important thing is you do not show the mnemonic to anyone else, and you just give the address is enough. If you want the game to get points, the GoN founder will send the token or points to you. Okay. As for me, I just use the okay, show my keys, the Iris key. Okay. As for me, I and the Iris key, that is easy for me to remember. Okay, this is the address. I will use this address and this key to the next demo. Okay, you can also use this way to show the test below. You create I create yes. Okay, and the Uptick, Stargate, Juno, and all the other for the account. All the other chains is the same. Yes, just the client. Yes, client name is different.
I see. It's good.
Yes, it's easy. Yes, and do you have account? And you should have test coins, because when you have a transaction to other chains, or when you do across chain transactions, you need gas. So it is necessary or it is important for you to get coin. So there are two ways to get coin. One way is to use the multiple Faucet website. Okay, we can open it. Okay, this is the the areas. This is the GoN Faucet. Yes, you can see all the trains are ended. Okay, let's take this for example. Okay, we can use the here's the count. Maybe there will have error because now the event is not started. So so there is not enough points in the web test net. But in the 2 days later, when the event starts, I change the account. Okay. Okay. This also has error. The reason is that you can see the reason. Okay, not the funds. It's because the areas net do not set enough funds to the website. So it is not a problem. When event starts, then you can get the coins. Okay.
Yeah, and it starts March 1st. Is that right?
Oh yes. At the March 1, you get the coins. Yes, another way to get a coin is there's a list of the Discord. Is a list of the Discord. In this Discord, you can see. Okay, open it. Okay, in this Discord, you can see. Okay, for example, the areas they have the Faucet, and you can type the for example, you can type it. Okay, I can get the hash. It means this I call it the Faucet. So how do you check? Do you get the whether do you get the coin, test coin? You can use the command areas. Yes, we can Q is short for query. Bank. Okay, and the balance. Okay, you can set it. Okay, you see, you can get my balance is not 0, and then I can have the points and can use it to test. Of course, maybe someone is new for the client, so you can use H to get the help of the command line. Yes, so they have some information or they have a document for you to help you to run the command line. Okay, uptick and stack is almost the same. You use the same command to get the coin. That's okay. But before you start to GoN, it's better to prepare all the coin, all the coin. So or maybe you cannot have enough funds. You should borrow other coin from other people. Yeah.
Thank you. That's
okay. All right. The last stamp maybe not so important because it is not your work. It is work from the Uptick or Arrays net. They will send the channel just as I showed. They will have the layer and send the channel. But you should have remember or you should memorize all the channels because you should use the channel to transfer the NFT as okay. This is the channel info about the update, and others will be in this website. So they have a channel table. In the table they will all chains of channels. But now because the event did not start, the channel table information do not have any information, but it will have before March 1st, before the game. When when the game before, you should remember or should use the channel number to transfer. Okay.
Okay.
NFTs.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Super clear.
So okay, thanks. So the prepare work is done, and the next is work to do the transfer. Yes, okay, because NF transfer.